Hey folks, Dr. in the Dungeon, welcome back. And just wrapped up the Slow Speed Carbide Grinder build, and I'm gonna try it out. I've got 4 magnets holding in there, little drive dog. We've got the table angled so it's right at between 5 and 6 degrees. And using a little bit of WD-40 to lubricate and cut down on the carbide dust. And yeah, we're getting a nice little median right down the. So, proof of concept, it works. Please like and subscribe. Check out my video. I'll have the full video on this coming up next Tuesday. Thanks. Have a great day.